Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Organized with Joy. I'm Joy and I want to inspire you to get organized. In today's video, I'm very excited because I'm collaborating with Adaline Zook. If you don't know her, which I'm sure many of you do, you definitely will want to go check out her content after you watch this video. Adaline actually has 3 channels, but we are collaborating on her Adaline's home channel. So I would love for you to check out her content if you don't already watch her videos after you watch this video. But in today's video, I am going to be tidying up and cleaning out our refrigerator a little bit. It's mostly organized, but sometimes I just need to go in and clean it up and tidy it a little bit. But I also have a cabinet and some drawers here in my kitchen that I want to declutter and reorganize. I got some new organizing tools that I'm excited to share with you. And so let's get into organizing. I am starting this project by rearranging some of my drawers here in my kitchen because I ordered some bins to house my Ziploc bags, but unfortunately they did not fit exactly in the drawer where my Ziploc bags used to be. These drawers are all different sizes. This home was built in the late 70s, early 80s, so everything just seems to be custom. Nothing is exactly the same size, so the bins that I got for the Ziploc bags just barely fit in the drawer where they previously were. But I just decided I was going to go ahead and rearrange some of these drawers so that I could move the Ziploc bags to a drawer where the bins would fit. And there I'm just showing you that I like to use this mounting putty to keep all of my drawer organizers in place when they don't fit exactly in drawers. I also decided to go ahead and use this opportunity to go ahead and clean out all these drawers while I was rearranging, and I'm just using an all-purpose cleaner. On this day I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's I think it was the apple cider scent for fall to clean out these spaces. Here I'm just showing you the bins that I got for my Ziploc bags. I did purchase these on Amazon, so I can link those in the description box below. But I just liked how these looked so much more streamlined than the cardboard boxes that the Ziploc bags just come in. And if you are new to my channel or you haven't seen some of my previous kitchen organization content, I have been slowly transitioning my organization bins in my kitchen to a lot of the bamboo, so I just like how it looks more streamlined.
Here's a change. It might take a minute, but you'll be a-okay. Here's the sky for the pie, and everything is possible. Out of the box and off of the page. Hey, look in the mirror. Is it calling your name? Have you ever seen something?
There you can see I do have some reusable Ziploc bags. On that day that was the only one that I had available. The other ones were being used in my refrigerator, and I do use those when they are available or when it makes sense to use them, but I still sometimes use the disposable Ziploc bags just for convenience or when it makes more sense.
Here's an invitation.
Next, I'm going to be working in this cabinet, and it is where we house our recycle bin. So I decided to take this opportunity to go ahead and take out our recyclables so that I could clean this bin out. You might notice in a minute here when I clean it out that it definitely gets very dirty. So every once in a while, I just need to clean it with some all-purpose cleaner.
Something so wonderful. It's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours. Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, 'cause
Those pendant letters I've had for a very long time. It happened to be my son's birthday on this day that I was filming, and so I was going to go ahead and hang up the birthday sign. I have the letters to make the word birthday and to make the word family. I can't make both of them at once because they're interchangeable, but it just is something that I put up on everyone's birthday, and then the family I might put up at Thanksgiving or at other times during the year. So that's what that was.
finish line. You've got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
This bin right here is obviously where I keep all of our paper goods, and I don't know about you all, but this bin always gets out of control. We get so many silverware and napkins and stuff like that from takeout. I need to try to figure out a way to indicate that I do not want that plasticware because it's just getting to be too much.
Brothers and sisters all, go on and stand up so tall. The world has never seen a thing like you. You got a smile to light up the dark. Send it out, let us feel your heart. I swear the world has never seen a thing like you. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say. Sing it. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say. Sing it. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say. Brothers and sisters all, we're scaling all the walls. The world is ours. Believe it's true.
Okay, just wanted to show you the few things I found to declutter in this space, and that is a lid that goes on a mason jar to drink out of. I already have two that serve the same purpose. I think two is sufficient enough. These cute little tiny straws came with a box of like 4 canned wine, like self-size wine cans, and I didn't want to use a straw with it, and I don't think I'll use these straws. They're paper straws, which I'm not a huge fan of. And then I do like this garland. It's just, it's 2 strands and they got all twisted together, and I just don't feel like it's worth it to try to untangle these, so I'm going to go ahead and let those go as well. And here I just wanted to show you what the space was looking like when I was finished cleaning and organizing it. And I am going to have to go back and put some mounting putty on the Ziploc bins because they were definitely sliding around. But I did want to say, if you are coming over from Adaline's channel, or if you're just new to my channel, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you find it inspiring. I do a lot of organization and decluttering content, but I also talk a lot about intentional living, about intentional purchases, and just living your life with intentionality. I have a series on my channel called Thoughtful Thursday where I talk about different topics and just how to live out life in a way that is intentional. Next, I am tackling my refrigerator, and I'm just showing you a before shot of what it looked like. It's not all that disorganized because, as you can see, I do have organization bins in here, but every once in a while I do need to go in and just clean things up and straighten things up. So I will take you along for that process. Y'all, I love these bins. I actually got them quite a while ago on Amazon, and I can link the video where I added them to my refrigerator a while back, but it does make cleaning out the refrigerator so much easier because you can easily pull everything out really quickly, and then I just use hot soapy water to rinse them out and dry them off to replace all the food again. On this day, I was just using some all-purpose cleaner to clean these shelves. Sometimes I do a very deep clean of my refrigerator and I remove all of the shelving and the drawers and everything and wash them really good. A lot of times I just put them in my tub with some Dawn dish soap to soak them and clean them. But when I'm doing a quick tidy in my refrigerator, I just go ahead and use all-purpose cleaner to quickly clean all the shelves and drawers.
cinema, we're a technicolor dream that ain't see the future. For a minute we can live another life. I'm yours and baby you're mine. Come on, let's go for a ride. We'll light the night singing. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend and life is our glory. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend and life is our glory. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. I'm never gonna let you go. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, let's write a new story.
Next, I'm going to be working on cleaning off the door, and you might notice there that I have uniform condiment bottles. You might have also noticed all the labels I have throughout my refrigerator. I do have a video showing you how I did all that. And y'all, I have to say, there is a bit of a cost up front for those uniform condiment bottles, but it is the best thing I've ever done. It is so much easier to keep them organized and in the right spots. It's also really easy to keep it clean, and for whatever reason, I rarely have leak problems like I used to whenever we just had the condiment bottles that it originally came in. I don't know if maybe it's the design of the condiment bottles because they have like the spout, but I'm telling you, it was the best thing. I actually got those on Amazon as well, and I can link those as well for you. Here I am showing you a before shot of my freezer as well. I also cleaned out my freezer on this day, but did not take full footage of me cleaning out the freezer. But I did want to show you the after shots of my refrigerator and freezer after I was finished cleaning out and organizing this refrigerator and freezer. Well, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope it was motivational or inspirational, and be sure to go check out Adaline's video. After you watch this video, I will link her video and her channel in the description box below so that it's easy for you to find. And if you're coming from Adaline's channel, again, thank you so much for taking the time to check out my video and my channel today. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.